So we stopped in Salmon Arm and we found a place that got really cool chainsaw sculptures. Little gift shop, and that's all they sell is chainsaw sculptures. Hard to say, tongue twister. Check these out. Really neat stuff. All of these are handmade right here in the Shuswap in the town of Salmon Arm. We're about an hour and a half away from Revelstoke. Look at the bird houses. Look at the little ass down there. Beautiful stuff they got. Lots of beers. Really neat. Eagle heads. Oh, I like those eagle heads. Those are nice. Big cross. Gonna build a church. There's your cross. And some tikis. Some tiki. Oh, look at that. So tiki guys holding up a bench. Now that is awesome. I like that. Coming to you from Salmon Arm. It's about 10 Celsius. Oh no, it's actually 8 Celsius. It's kind of chilly, but it's nice. The mountains in the back. I don't know if you can see them with the GoPro, but they are something else. So we're gonna keep on driving and we're gonna head towards towards Revelstoke. I gotta take a walk a little more over here and see what else I could find. So whiskey barrels?
Yeah, these are just the shavings off the rest of our whiskey barrels.
Oh, you guys take them apart?
Some of them, yeah. Most of them we keep together or split them like those ones, but
wow.
Yeah, they're pretty nice. So.
Yeah, they look nice. They must be old.
Oh yeah, they burn the inside of them so you can't remake them with whiskey and stuff, but
oh,
yeah.
Oh, they do it so you don't reuse them.
No, we just use them for gardens and stuff like that.
I know. Yeah, that would look nice in the garden.
Yeah, yeah.
Pretty. So these are all old whiskey barrels. They cut them up, use them for planters. Then they sell the wood also. I guess you could buy some whole barrels, decoration, in your yard. Pretty neat. Ah, look at that. I don't know what that is. Oh, that's an actual outhouse. Men, women. Look, a pink boot and a black boot. It's an actual old outhouse. That is pretty wild. It's kind of designed here like an old cowboy town. I guess somebody used it and it made a tourist attraction. General merchandise for grocery shopping. The Mills Farm Market, that's what it's called. And I think I have been here before. I think we bought ice cream here many years ago. Yeah, that's the place. We bought ice cream here many years ago. Check out these old John Deere tractors. Real antiques. Look at them things. Pretty cool. There's so much beautiful stuff to see here in British Columbia. Just gotta drive around and find it. Yeah, this is definitely a place where we bought the ice cream. Really, really good. Wow, cool. Now we're gonna go look for now we're gonna head towards Revelstoke. We still got an hour and a half to go. But this is a nice little stop. See something different. Hey guys, we're still in Salmon Arm and we're at Pedros Fresh Fruit and Produce, and it's almost next door to where they have the chainsaw carvings. I have to stop, take a look at this pickup truck. Look at that classic. And this is Pedros Fresh Fruit and Produce. Looks like a Mexican guy owns it or started it at one time. There you can see him sleeping underneath this apple tree. And they've got a lot of apples out here right now. Pink Lady, Honeycrisp, pears, Spartan apples, Gala apples, Ambrosia, and a whole lot more. So this is Salmon Arm, Pedros, towing that big trailer behind the truck. You can't stop everywhere. That's the only bad thing about it. But you know, we try our best. So more stuff coming up in a bit. Stay tuned.